What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, Barry's Drawing Club. In today's video, we will draw Robin from Teen Titans Go. So let's get started. First, we're gonna draw his head. It's slightly big, so we're gonna start from the middle. This portion is for the head. We'll start with the eyes first. Draw the eyes here. Draw two straight lines here. And then the nose. Followed by the outer glasses. It will be this big. And the other one. Draw a line from here to here. Then we'll close the inner side of the glasses. Stop. Connect this dot. And the other one. Done. We then draw his mouth, slightly like here. His teeth. And color it black. We start moving to his hair. His hair will approximately be this big. And his portion of the face is this one. So we start with this, with the hair. Then the ears. Connect his lower part of the face. So it will be like this and this. First, start with this face first. We will finish then the hair. Start with this part first. And that is done. Okay. You've done the most the hardest part. Now let's get moving to his arm. Now his gloves. We will draw his gloves a little slightly bigger since he's pointing towards the front. So, oops, don't forget to close this one. It's tricky. The thumbs. Moving to his middle finger and the rest of the fingers. We'll just draw this like this. Draw 2 lines to separate the fingers. And the point fingers is the biggest one. Close this glove, just draw a line here. Now we're drawing his body. Teen Titans characters tend to have small body, so we will draw it this big. And connect the line from here. This is his belt. Draw a square here, and this one. And don't forget to draw a small circle here. The rest, we just need to finish the accessories on the shirt. Is this one, and then draw 2 square here, 2 small square, and the Robin logo. Just draw an R here. Now we're moving to the left hand. After drawing this one, we will draw the other glove first instead of the arm. We will draw the glove this big, so just finish right here. Now smooth, starting with the arm, with the finger, sorry. And the thumbs. The rest will just follow. Just draw a few lines here. Then we draw the arm. Just connect this one and this one. We'll draw his leg, 2 legs, one facing this one facing front. So we'll draw this one first. It will be approximately this long. That's enough. Then we will start with the shoes first. It's rather big shoes, so we draw a single line here to finish the leg. Don't forget this one. Next we will be moving to the left leg. It will be much smaller because it's located at the back. Shoes. Just connect those lines. Next we will be drawing his cape. It will be like this big. So we start with the right hand side first. Next is the left side. Just connect this point to the other one. And what are we missing? Oh, right. The eyes. Don't forget the color in black. Almost done. Same with the other one. Almost there. And it's done. Congratulations! You just made a drawing of Robin from Teen Titans Go. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Goodbye!